Hey guys, what's up? This is Jake Fishing here. For this video, I'm going to be doing some trick shots. I'm going to be using my bait caster and this spinnerbait right here. And I'm going to try to cast this spinnerbait beyond my water bottles down there. And I'm going to try to cast behind it and drag it back and knock them down. So let's see. Alright guys, here we go. And there we go. Okay guys, here we go. Alright, one's down. Hey guys, so for the trick shot number 2, I'm going to be trying to hit this bird feeder right there. So let's see how it goes. So here we go. There we go. We hit it. There it is. There it is. Right. It hit it and stayed on it. So that's just a plus. I got technically 2 trick shots. Okay guys, for trick shot number 3, I'm going to be trying to hit those wind chimes right there. So let's see how it goes. The ring of the chimes is pretty cool here. When you hit it, your spinnerbait right there. Okay. So that's a pretty cool shot. Okay guys, here we go. And that's my dog Rocky right there. Come here, Rock. There we go. Might took a couple tries, but you still done it. Doesn't matter how fast you do a trick shot. As long as you get it done, it's still gonna be okay, really guys. Cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more fishing content. And let's hope we can go fishing sometime soon.